How's it going, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's Black Appeal, the Apple Guy here. Please excuse the way that I look. I just got home. It's about 10:30. Got this package that I've been looking forward to getting for the last 2 weeks, and it's finally here. So I just rushed home, unboxed it, so to speak. So we are doing unboxing today of the Insta360 4K edition. Now, this is my first modular action camera. I'm aware that they did make the Insta360, the first version of it, but I had a GoPro at the time and didn't really think much about the modular stuff. I just thought it was kind of more of a gimmick. Then I watched the Peter McKinnon video. Shout out to Peter McKinnon for this. And he had a link in the description below. Clicked on it, ordered it. I also ordered the suction mount, and I also got the Invisa stick for free, actually, through his video. He had a link in his description, and when you ordered it, you got a free Invisa stick. So I went ahead and bought it. So we're going to get into the unboxing of this. Now, this is just an unboxing, and just kind of we're going to see what comes with this, and then stay tuned for my next video, because I'm actually going to be doing a comparison between this and my GoPro Hero 9. So let's get into the unboxing of this and these other cool accessories now.
All right, here we go. The unboxing of the Insta360 4K edition. Now, again, I didn't get the 360 version because I don't particularly do the whole 360 thing. Not a big fan of that. So as you can see, it is a modular action camera. So basically this allows you to take pieces out, switch it with others. You can get a battery base, or you can get a boosted battery base, which I probably might do later on down the road if I feel the need to get it. You can also get a 1-inch sensor, which makes it a much wider field of view if you ever want to do, that kind of a video with it. So as you can see, it comes with a mounting bracket, battery base, 4K boost lens, the core, and a charging cable. So let's get into it. Oh, let's do some other information. So it does 4K 60, does have something called flow state stabilization. It is waterproof, horizon lock, voice controlled, has insta zoom. Again, interchangeable lenses, if you can see that, interchangeable lenses. Does 48 megapixel photos, but I didn't buy it for the photo reason. I bought it strictly for the 4K version, or to be able to shoot 4K. And it does do active HDR, which we'll do in a later video. And you can edit this all from an app that you can download to your phone, or there is a desktop software that you can actually download from the Insta360 website to do that as well. You can also use this in a webcam, just similar just to the GoPro as well. I'm assuming that pretty much all action cameras can be used as a webcam. So just pop this bad boy open, and then we'll pop open the other accessories as well after we're done with this one. So as you can see right off the bat, this is the Insta360. So it's actually kind of cool. It's actually a lot bigger than I thought it would have been. I actually thought it would have been a little bit smaller. So obviously that's your 4K boost lens. That's your core, which is basically where the brains are at. This seems to be your battery base for this. So let's pop this piece off here. And again, I'm not going to be doing any testing of video on this. I'm actually going to charge this up, and then I'm going to be doing another video comparing this to my GoPro Hero 9. So stay tuned for that video. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification. That way you don't miss that video when it comes up. So let's just pull this off here. And this is a touch screen as well. So on the back of this, there is a touch screen. So as you can see right there, that is a touch screen. So we're just going to put this little piece back on that because I don't want to get fingerprints on it, at least not yet. So this is your power button, or your, I'm sorry, that's your power button right there. That's going to be your record button. I'm probably guessing this is where you're going to put your micro SD card and all of that. So as you can see right there, assuming that just pops sideways that way. So yep, that just pops open like that. Pry it open. So that looks like that's going to be your micro SD card slot right there. The camera can pick that up, and then that right there is obviously going to be your charging, which is USB-C, which is actually kind of cool. I think USB-C should be a more universal standard for charging things, as pretty much everything is USB-C anyway. All PCs pretty much have USB-C connections, as well as the MacBooks are all USB-C, so that's going to be like that. So you simply just press that down, and I guess that's how that closes. So yeah, so it'll probably take you a minute or two to figure out how to close that down, but you simply just, as you can see, there's these little circles right there that goes down first. Then you just press down on that, and that's it. Obviously, you'll probably end up hitting that a little bit. And then I'm guessing somehow this goes, obviously that goes with that, and then that's the battery. So you simply just, oops, sorry. So that's going to be your clip. That's your battery charger piece right there. So I'm guessing that just clips on. You probably have to line it up, and then it'll take some use to. Again, this is my first time using one of these, so bear with me. So I'm guessing somehow that slides onto that, and then that's how you remove it. So like that, and then I guess I just, oh, there you go. So you just click it, and then there you go. Then that's your whole piece right there. Then you simply just push that forward, and then that's how that comes out. So that'll take some use to. If you've never used anything like this before, you just simply just gotta line up these with that, and then you just clip that together. So we put that to the side. But first, let's see. I guess you just pull these apart. So yeah, just like that. So again, it's modular, so it doesn't really take a lot of strength just to pull it apart. And I'm assuming that when they put these together, it's not going to come apart from just, you know, it being on its own, but you simply just, and then that's pretty much it. And then we'll see what else is in here. So this is probably going to be the battery, the case, and the charger, and all the manuals and whatnot. So let's do this, like this, and then so that's your typical USB to USB-C charging cord. And then looks like we got some information here. Obviously, quick start guide, waterproof, what you need to know, a bunch of other, you know, stuff, warranty card and all that. This is probably some sort of a cleaning cloth right there. So that's what that looks like, cleaning cloth. And then you get some, you know, stickers. So here is the case itself. Oops. So, oh, and this is the mounting bracket. So this is the case, similar to almost like my GoPro's Media Mod. I'm guessing you press that in, and then that just flips open. So you just kind of press like that, clips together, press it again. That's it. So it's similar in some ways to the GoPro in terms of how the case works. So simply just slide this out. Yeah, so pretty much just like my GoPro. My GoPro has the same thing, just like this. If you've ever seen a GoPro, then you simply just that like that. Then you just push that into that. And then you just simply just twist, and then you can attach this pretty much to, it's got a 3.5mm quarter thread, so you can attach it to pretty much anything you want, because everything's pretty much standard like that. Then that's that. So we're going to slide the Insta360 into the base, and then we're going to see what that looks like. So this is the like that. Then you just, there, you hear the clicking sound. Then I'm guessing this just slides in just like this. And then you just simply just, there you go. And that is your Insta360 in a case. Now we're going to go on to the suction mount. Now the suction mount, obviously, I bought this so that I can connect suction mount it to my car along with my GoPro. So we're just going to pop this open and then see what this looks like. Pieces here, I'm not really sure what that's for. We'll figure that out later on. And then it looks like you got a little screw-on piece right here. So this looks like this is something that you would take off, and you either screw it on. Oh, it's two pieces. So this is probably the piece that you screw onto this, and then this screws on to the suction mount itself. So I'm guessing that's probably how that works, like that. And then this is probably the turning key. So this probably somehow manages to go into there. And then you just kind of just screw in somehow. I'm not really sure how that's going to work. Eventually, I'll definitely will be looking forward to trying this out. And then you simply just suction mount that like that, and then lift up. I actually find this a lot more convenient than it is on the GoPro version. So let me grab my suction mount for my GoPro and show you what I mean. So this is my GoPro suction mount. So notice how you got a little lever there. You simply just press down like that. So in order for this to suction mount to, you press down on that, then you just hold down, and that's how that works. Similar to this one, only I like this one. It's a lot easier because you just got the little lever there. You just press down, and that's it. So that's pretty much the suction mount. Again, I'll do a little bit more of an in-depth on this in a later video, so excuse the kind of quickness of the video. So there's that. And then here is the Invisi-Stick. So for those of you who are familiar with the Insta360, this is what you, when you're doing your videos and you're using this as a selfie stick, from what I understand, the software automatically removes this from the video, and it just basically looks like you're just looking at it kind of like in a hands-free thing. It's actually kind of cool. I'm not really planning on getting, like I said, the 360 version of it, just because I'm not a big fan of that. But this is actually what it looks like. It's actually kind of cool. It's actually much better than my El Grande that I use for my GoPro, but we'll be doing the comparison between that also. And again, it's got a 3.5mm thread, so if you had the Insta360 with the 360-degree lens, you could use that. You just simply just kind of have to twist and then pull, and then it extends, and then you just lock in place. So definitely get some used to, or you just simply just pull it out basically. But as you can see, that is how that works. You just simply just, so actually it's pretty cool. It's much better than the El Grande. So that is how that works, and that is it.
And that is everything for the unboxing of my Insta360 4K edition. Again, I'm going to apologize for the way I look. I just got home about an hour ago, just got this package, and I was really looking forward to getting it, as I ordered about 2 weeks ago. And you know, just shipping and what's going on is still kind of, nothing's getting sorted. So I really want to do an unboxing of this. So stay tuned for my next video when I do a comparison between this and my GoPro, and I go a little bit more in depth with the Insta360. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, hit the bell notification, that way you don't miss content when I drop it. And if this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up please. And my name is Black Appeal the Apple Guy, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take care, stay safe.